Okay, dear students, in this session we'll discuss about Java variables. Okay, what is means of variable? Variable is a name reserved area allocated in the memory. For example, in a memory, we are allocating a memory per, to store the data. We are giving particular name for that. For example, here we are giving for this A or any name we are giving to a memory location to store data. That is called variable. And we have variable name will be combination of vary and able. Vary means changing. Its change means it change the value while execution of the program. So that's why it is called variable. Variable is a name given to a memory location and its value will be changed while executing the program is called variable. Okay, next we see how to declare in a variable. So declaration of variable will be contain one is type and name. Okay, it is called single variable declaration. Type means what type of value this variable will hold. Okay, what type of value this variable will hold, that is called type. And it is a variable name to identify the memory location. If you want to declare a multiple variables in a one line, you have to give int, for example, variable name comma variable name comma variable name. So here I declared in a three different variables. So like that we can declare multiple variables. Okay, now we saw how to declare in a variable. Now we see how to initialize value to a variable. Okay, yes. So here we have variable declaration along with equals to, and we are assigning a value to a variable. So this is a assignment operator. It is called assignment operator. Using that we are assigning means we are storing. See here we have a reserved one location. In that we are storing a value. So this name for this location is called age. So now we are storing a variable. So like that we'll initialize values to a variable. Next we see different types of variables. So we have a different types of variables. One local variable, next instance variable, next static variable. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, first one, local variable. So variable declared inside body of the method are called local variable. So if you are declaring a variable inside the method is called local variable. You can use these variables only within that method. So when particular purpose will be there, on the time only you can use the variables will be used within that method, and the other methods in the class are not even aware that variable exists. Okay, I'll explain this with an example. Local variables, for example, here I declared one method called allot and I'm declaring variables roll number and room number. When these will be useful? When we are conducting an exam, we are allotting a room on the time. I'm executing this task on the time only I need of this variable. When other time we no need. When I'm executing the task on the time I need this variable, so on the time only I'll use this variable. So such type of variables is called local variables. We declared these variables inside the method. When we are executing this method, these variable will be useful. After that these variables will be not used. Such type of variables we call local variables. Okay, next type of variables is called instance variables. Instance variables are declared inside the class but outside the method is called instance variables. And these variables not declared as a static. We are not using static keyword. And these variables have a own, for example, each and every object of a class have its own copy. For example, it's also called instance. Each and every object have its own copy, or each and every instance have its own copy. For example, here I am declaring this is a class. Inside I declare two variables, rule number and name. Each and every student have different rule number. So rule number variable belongs to every student. Okay, every student have an this copy, and name belongs to an every student, so name also have an each and every student have their own copy of this variable. So such type of variables is called instance variables. Each and every object have their own copy of these variables, and we declared inside the class and outside the method, and we can't use static keyword while declaring these variables. Okay, next we'll see static variables. Okay, static variables. So a variable is declared as static is called static variable. We are using a static keyword and declaring a variable is called static variable. It cannot be a local. We are not declaring inside the method, we are declaring out inside the class, and we are creating single copy of static variable. So we have only the only single copy of the variable, and we are sharing among the all the instances or all the objects of the class. Okay, we are creating one single variable and we are sharing that variable to all the instances. Now memory allocation for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. The memory will be created only once. See here, we have a class name variable. For example, this is the class. We have a class name variable. It will be only one variable for all 10th ICSC students. Okay, only one variable for all 10th ICSC students. Okay, this 10th ICSC name will be belongs to all the students. Okay, it will not belongs to only particular student. It will not change it for one student to another student. This will be belongs to all the students. So such type of variable we call static variable. Even we used a static keyword while declaring a variable. We are using a static keyword, and another variable with static keyword we are using C teacher means class teacher. So each and every student of the particular class have only one class teacher. Class teacher name belongs to all the class. It's not belongs to only particular class. So such variables we call static variables. So we discussed about three different types of variables. Now we see what are the possible questions in the exam. Okay, okay, later we'll see. First we see the difference between instance variable and static variable. Here each object will have one copy of the instance variable. Already I said each instance or each object have their own copy of the instance variable. Rule number, each and every student have their own copy, and static variable have only one copy, and it should be shared among all the objects of the class or all the instances of class. Example, class name is belongs to all the students of the class. Next, change made in instance variable using one object will not reflect on the other object. For example, you are changing one student roll number, it will be not affect on the other students roll number. Okay, if you are changing a class name, okay, if you according to static variable, if you are changing 10th ICSC class name to 10th standard, then it will be reflect to all the objects of that class. Okay, clear? Now we see what are the possible questions in an exam. So there are possible questions in an exam. Define variable and declaration and initialization of the variable. About declaration and initialization of a variable, and define class are static variables, are local variables, are instance variables. They'll ask possible questions, and finally they will ask there is a possibility difference between the static and instance variable. Okay, we discussed about types of variables in this session. Okay, thank you.